cares? We need it.
Whatever it is, we need it. This video is for anybody who's interested in the semi-annual sale at bath&bodyworks, and it's also a list of some of my top favorite products. Sea Mineral Body Polish by Cetox. It's a body wash. It has little micro scrubs in it. You wash your body, your hands, whatever with this. It smells so good. This is like my favorite product. Oh, yes. And $12 instead of $25. So score! Were these little stress relief aromatherapy antibacterial hand gels. And normally they're like 6 for $10, but they were $1 each. So I got 2 because I already have so many of them. This is my favorite one. It's a stress relief eucalyptus. Spearmint cool coconut syrup. This was literally $3, and it's a shea and vitamin body lotion. So you put all over and it smells like coconut. These were $3 as well. Gentle foaming hand soap with coconut oil, and they smell amazing. So I got one strawberry lemon and another one in watermelon lemonade. And how cute are these bottles? Just saying. This is my absolute favorite body wash. It's eucalyptus and tea. It's called Focus. Usually I get the sleep one or the relax one, but this one smells incredible. It's also aromatherapy, and you can also use it as foam bath as well. It's just the best. So this is new to me. I didn't know about this before, but I decided that this is going to change my life. So here is the Stress Relief Eucalyptus Spearmint with natural essential oils, and it's a pillow mist. So now I'm gonna spray all my pillows every night. Love this thing. This is actually candy that I got at my niece's birthday party, so I don't know why that's in here. So these candles, which are usually $30 each, were $12.50, so amazing deal. We got the White Bean Pure White Cotton Scented Candle, and it smells like $1 million up in here. Oh baby, yes. Focus Aromatherapy, because it smells just as good as this. And it's a eucalyptus and tea. This one here is called Relax, another one of my favorites, lavender and vanilla. I can't describe how good this stuff smells. So I saved the best for last. It's a shimmer mist that you can spray on when you're tanning. This is Diamond Shimmer Mist. Beautiful day. It smells amazing, and you spray it on yourself before tanning, and it just makes your skin look sparkly. It has a shimmer inside, like little sparkles. You put this all over your skin, you look radiant. So that's all for my semi-annual sale of Bath&Bodyworks and my collection of what I got. Super excited and super happy. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Happy shopping. So it's the Bath&Bodyworks. What is it called? Semi-annual sale. And this is what I really want, but it's the only thing that's not on special, of course. Jay's got a whole bag of shit.
Duh.
We're stocked up. Yen's still shopping.
Full on haul.
And we're gonna take a look at like the best things that are available at this sale right now. It smells like ashes.
Smells like you. Smells like your personality.
Star Sign Collection. It's a must. Okay. These are the candles. Yeah, these are $12.50 instead of like $100. No, seriously, like $30. I got this one. Which one? This is the pit spray section.
Even a foot fix.
Ew.
Aw, if only I had a dad.
This is what I got. I got 3 of those.
Look, the aromatherapy collection?
Yeah, I got actually 2 and then another one.
Did you try this one? It's so weird. It's like unscented.
I don't know, but it looks like unfinished. Like they and
Yeah,
you finish doing the
that's
packaging.
basically what it is.
These are my all-time favorite. The Focus, the Relax. Actually, all these. Energy, Happiness, Recharge, and they're $12.50 a can. Did you ever buy any of those?
Yeah, I have like 4.
Seriously?
Uh-huh.
I never bought one of these.
Oh, look, for Halloween.
Oh, that is so cute.
It's 75% off, Gina.
You guys always find the best deal.
You should take it. Oh my god, look at my haul.
Yeah, I know, we're gonna be so broke with this. Always happens.
C'est sorti.
Oui, c'est quoi?
Maison, c'est lui, on lui a place. Sans ça, Gigi. Emballage cadeau.
I think you're really pretty.
Hooray! Lavender marshmallow.
It probably smells really good.
Need.
I need a unicorn sponge. Oh, that smells so good. Oh my god, I can't. What is this? One of a kind in a box?
It's a gift box.
It's a unicorn poof. Magic in the air. Oh my god, there's a bath bomb. There's, what is this? Oh, it's the little antibacterial. Magic in the air. This is the cutest thing. How much is this? This is like the perfect gift to give some. This is magic
Oh,
in a
Jane.
box. Beach days.
Oui.
Everything costs like $300.
Wow.
Because I got so many things. What is this?
Who cares?
Who cares what it is?
Who cares? We need it.
Whatever it is, we need it.